A box of pasta in just 20 minutes. That's all it takes to make this Italian pasta salad. Hey friends, today we're making the Italian pasta salad. And when I say the Italian pasta salad, it is one of my favorites. It's a great salad for summer, but I have made it year round. Now listen, this is going to have fresh salami, fresh mozzarella cheese, the crispy, nice cold vegetables with the ziti pasta, Italian dressing, some spices, and guess what? We're going to put this whole salad together in less than 20 minutes. So it makes a great go-to salad if you're going to a barbecue, a cookout, or it just makes just a great simple meal. Let's get into it. We begin with the biggest bowl in your kitchen and some cooked ziti pasta. I've chopped up some cucumber. We're going to add that in, a red onion, and next a red bell pepper, and then next a green bell pepper. And you can customize these vegetables however you like. I'm going to add in some tomatoes. I'm going to add in some salami and pepperoni, kind of a mixture there, some black olives. Get them all out of the can here. And now I'm going to mix all of these veggies in with that cold, cooked ziti pasta. So I have the biggest bowl in my house. I've got all of my vegetables all prepped and ready to go. I've just basically dumped them on top of the pasta, and now I've got my kitchen claws here, and I'm just turning and churning and stirring all of the ingredients together. We just want to make sure that it's combined very, very well, because next we're going to be adding some seasoning, which first I'm going to add some black pepper. And I just kind of measure from the heart, but you got to add quite a bit of black pepper. That gives it a pop in flavor once we put the dressing in. Now I'm going to add in some onion powder alongside of that black pepper. And I just cooked a box and a half of the ziti pasta. Now I'm going to add in some garlic powder on top. And I'm not going to add any salt, because in my dressing that I'm going to add in a minute is loaded with sodium and salt. And sometimes if I add more salt at this point of the process, the salad's just too salty. So I'm going to combine all of the seasonings in there. I'm going to give it a good nice toss and a good stir here. Make sure all of that seasoning gets to every single bit of my summer pasta salad. And then next we're going to add in some more black pepper. I'm going to add in some more black pepper because I can kind of see that there wasn't enough. And then I'm going to add in my 1 bottle of Italian dressing. And I shook that bottle up really well before I dumped it in. And then, of course, I'm going to get my kitchen claws back out and stir this dressing all throughout this cold, nice summer pasta Italian salad. It's so good. Now, this is a great one to make ahead of time, because as this sits overnight, it even tastes better the next day. So if I have a barbecue or something to go to, you bet I make this up a day prior and let it just sit and marinate into the kitchen into the refrigerator all night. Now I just added some mozzarella cheese shredded here at the very end, and you can add mozzarella cheese in a cube or in little mozzarella balls or shredded, however you prefer, but I'm going to give it another good toss. And I do the shredded cheese at the very end after my salad dressing, because the cheese kind of sticks with that dressing, and it kind of stirs in a little bit better versus doing it prior to the dressing. And I'm going to give it a really good mix here, and then we're going to taste it. Hey friends, that didn't take any time at all, right, to put this beautiful salad together. Look at all of this fresh veggies, the nice pasta, the fresh mozzarella, got salami in there. And this is very customizable, right? So you could make this just to your liking. So I'm going to take a big scoop here, because we're going to test drive this beautiful salad. And like I said, if this sits overnight, it is just that much better. So you can make this the go-ahead salad, is what I call it. I can make it the day before I'm going to be running to a potluck or a party. and let this sit, marinate all night in the refrigerator, and it is to die for the next day. Let's take a quick bite here. Tell you, you'll be the favorite at the party if you bring this. Perfection. Nice Italian summer pasta salad. The nice crunch of the veggies. I mean, it is just delicious. Super simple. We had it thrown together in less than 20 minutes. You can do this too. Even if you are a beginner, you can do this. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.